morning, happy Thursday. It is Thursday the 12th. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've hopped on here, just like done a vlog, like a, I don't know, a regular day vlog. I did that weekend getaway that we just went on. It was so much fun. But I haven't just done like, I don't know, like a day in the life kind of thing. So today, well this morning I should say, I went out and I watered the garden, and I came in here and my plan was to transfer photos from my phone over to my external hard drive and my MacBook, and just kind of like get ready to get a new phone, because my phone has been slowly getting worse and worse and worse. It's the iPhone 6, and I have it on one of those plans for AT&T where you pay monthly, and then if you don't damage your phone or anything after so long, you can trade it in, and if you do damage your phone, you have to pay off the whole thing and then trade it in. So Dixie chewed my phone like forever ago, so the screen is cracked. I can't use the front camera, and now currently the Wi-Fi stopped working like a couple weeks ago. Like, it just won't connect to any Wi-Fi. It'll connect, but it won't stay connected. And so I've been like obviously going over my data, racking that up. On top of that, the battery life, it lasts like maybe an hour. I'm not even kidding you. It's getting worse and worse. Like, okay, I was barely on this because I was on my computer all morning. It is at 35%. It is 11 o'clock. I woke up, I woke up at 7:30, so that's, more than an hour, but like if I'm on it, an hour, and it's done, it's dead. So I need a new phone, and getting a new phone is, I hate it. I hate spending, well, I knew I had to pay it off in order to get the new phone to begin with because it's damaged. So I hate doing that. I was putting it off, and I saw then this deal at Target where you get a $100 gift card if you buy a phone through them, like a gift card to Target. And I was like, yes, oh my gosh, perfect, because I'm gonna be spending money at Target for my classroom anyway. Let's do this. And it's kind of like I'm saving money then. So another thing I want to catch you guys up on is just like what I've been doing this week. It's been a really busy week. So you saw I went on that little like getaway over the weekend. It was so much fun. We got back late Sunday night. Monday I did laundry, I unpacked, I repacked, and then Tuesday I left to visit some friends. We hung out on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we kayaked on the bay. It was beautiful, so that was a lot of fun. I didn't get home till like 7:30 last night because traffic was pretty bad. So now today it's like another unpacking day, laundry. I have to run that errand to Target, maybe Best Buy, who knows, Etsy, and I want to read outside. Okay guys, so let's talk unboxings for a second. I have two packages that came while I was kind of like running around and too busy to open them up. So the first one is my Young Living Essential Rewards. So I love my Young Living Essential Rewards every month. It's just like Christmas every month. It comes to your mailbox. I love it. It's not like a subscription where you can't like control it. Like, I go in every month and I change what I'm getting. I don't get the same thing. It just really depends on what I need. If I found like a cool roller recipe that I want to try, or if it's just like something I ran out of. So this one is, I don't even remember what I ordered, honestly, but this is the one for July. The first thing I got was the Young Living Deep Relief Roll-On. I made one of these for mussels, but I ran out of Panaway, and so instead of just getting Panaway and making my own, I decided to try their version of the Deep Relief. I am very excited for this because, as you know, if you've been watching me for a while, I get neck pain and just like shoulder and back here at my head that radiates up and gives me headaches, and this I have a feeling will help. Also, I've been running more and I just get, aches and pains from that, so I'm excited to use this. Okay, let's dive into the rest of the products that I got this month. I don't understand that. I don't know. Oh, okay, this is tea tree. I had some of this, I just needed some more of it. Tea tree is great for like so many different things, so many different recipes and stuff. It won't come out. This one is, I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce this right, bergamot. I believe it's like a citrusy one. Like a, oh yes, very, very, very citrusy. The other two that I got, this one I need a new one of, Purification. I use this so much. And then I got another refill because I use this one so much too, and this is Peppermint in the little bottle as well. Okay, this is one of the ones I got as a promotional item. I think because I purchased so much, like if there's different tiers, like if you reach this much you get one promotional item, if you reach something else you get another. Yeah, so this one is orange. Probably similar to that bergamot one. My gosh, it smells it smells like I just opened an orange to eat it. Like when I'm peeling an orange, like that's what that smells like. The next one is grapefruit. There we go. So the last one is eucalyptus. I got the one that starts with a G. Y'all, I don't know, but I love eucalyptus for just relaxation. You can do drops in the shower. Like there's a lot you can do with this, and eucalyptus smells so, oh, so good. It's strong. You don't need a lot of it, but it's really good. Teami sent me some of their amazing teas. They have kind of like a skinny tea in a way, and I have tried skinny teas in the past. They're expensive, and the ones I've tried, like, I don't know, I just wasn't that impressed with, but I've heard amazing things about this company. They also do face masks, so if you're not into teas, they do face masks. They asked me what I preferred, and I wanted to try the tea, so I'm gonna try that, and I will be sure to let you guys know how it is. I'll give you an update. So I'm gonna try it for a couple of days first, and then yeah, I'll tell you like what I think. First of all, their packaging on this box, like, look how stinking cute this is. It says special delivery, and then it has hearts all on the box, and then their logo right here. Like, that is so cute. Guys, I peeked, and I have to like take the camera because I'm so excited what I just saw. Look at that! Oh my gosh, they did all this confetti. How cute is that? Okay, yay, you have received your yummy 30 detox pack. So then you get two different types of tea if you get the detox. This is skinny tea, and then this one is the colon tea. So I will be trying out both of these and just kind of like seeing how I feel, and you know, doing the tea process. And also, I love this. I think it's just so pretty. I really do, and I love the white. They do have a bunch of different colors on their website as well. I will be sure to keep you guys posted and like updated on what I think of the tea and the whole process and everything. But yeah, so far I'm impressed with their packaging. Like, that is so stinking cute. Like, love it. I love the confetti. All right guys, I'm getting out of here. I'm turning the camera off. I'm cleaning this mess up, and I am running out to that Target, and we will see if I am successful or not, if I have a new phone next time I hop on here. So before I head out, I have to run outside really fast and grab the hose I had out there for the sprinkler for the garden. I have to do that because Dixie will chew the hose, and we let her in and out when we're not home. We have a doggy door. I have like cat hair in my mouth. Whoa. Yep, cat hair. Life with pets. So since I'm going out there, I figured I would take you guys along really fast and show you the garden and like how it has progressed, how great it's doing. Also, I forgot my kayak is still in the truck, so I guess I'm just gonna be driving around with that because I really do not feel like unloading that kayak right now in my dress before I leave. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. Dixie, come on. Come on.
Oh, you want your belly rubbed. You want your belly rubbed. Yeah. Okay, we have some peppers. These are all flowers. Pumpkins are in the back there. Then we have our cucumbers. Our zucchinis are ginormous. And then the tomatoes there. These are peppers also. Beans all along here, and then more tomatoes here. But you guys, like literally, this zucchini, they come above my belly button. That's how high they are. It's insane. And we're getting tons of zucchinis, like more than I even know what to do with. Hey everybody, it is currently 4 o'clock. I did drive to the Target far away, and I ended up not getting the phone that I was like calling about anyway, of course. So they call this Target a super Target. Like the super Targets that I know of are like just Target and the grocery store, like that's normal to me. But this one they call it super Target, and oh my gosh, I know why now. That like, it's insane. I don't know if Targets are like this everywhere. I'm just like out of the loop, but it's set up completely different. It's huge. They have so much more stuff than they do at a normal Target, and it's set up kind of like a end cap of a mall, like a Macy's or like one of those type of stores. So I was excited and I was walking around, and then I went to get my phone, and originally I was gonna get the iPhone 8, and then I was looking at like the specs and everything, and I realized I liked the 8 Plus better. And then I saw the iPhone 10. I've heard like iffy things about that, basically just like it's not much better than the iPhone 8, like, so don't pay the money. But it had some things that the iPhone 8 didn't. So if I was gonna get the iPhone Plus, the screen size is actually bigger without the bulk. So that's what sold me. Like the iPhone 8 Plus just has a bunch of stuff around it, whereas the iPhone 10 has a bigger screen without all like the junk, you know what I mean? So that is what I ended up getting, the iPhone 10, and I got this, I think it's called Heyday. It's like a brand now at Target that has phone accessories, and it's this like mint green. It looks a lot lighter on the camera than it does in real life. I think maybe because it's like right in here. Let's see if I can lower. There you go. It's like a mint, you know, mint green, blue, like my favorite basically color for everything. And then I got like a new pop socket to put on here and a screen protector, of course. But the reason it took so long, I was so frustrated. The girl, bless her heart, she was like, well, let me, you know, transfer all your stuff over. I'm like, no, that's okay. Like, I know how to do that. That's okay. Just all you do is you sign into the cloud, like Apple iCloud, and you do it. You just need Wi-Fi. She's like, no, it's our policy. Like, I would love to do it for you. I'm like, okay. It took 45 minutes because I have so many photos. It took 45 minutes. And the funny thing is, like, I don't even want all those photos. I made a special folder of all the ones I was gonna save. So like, this whole thing was basically for nothing. 45 minutes, if not more, just transferring. I kept checking back. I would walk around the store. Like, I'm so lucky I didn't spend so much money because I was just walking around waiting. This huge Target with all this extra stuff that my Target doesn't have, and I somehow did not spend tons of money. I don't know how. I think I was just so antsy to get out of there that like I didn't. I did look at Instant Pots and almost bought one, but I've resisted. So I did get a few things I'm gonna show you. So first of all, I got a huge tub container, and that's where all my stuff's in. I got that for this truck to put in the back here. And like, we just have some like truck things. I don't know like how else to describe it, and stuff for Dixie and like things that we just keep in the truck, and it's getting to be too much. So since we have the bed, I'm gonna put everything in here, and we have like a bar to put it up against, that way it won't slide around. So that's what the container is for. And then I got, oh my gosh, I did get some teacher stuff. They did not have any good cute like containers or anything like that I've been seeing on Instagram. But I don't know, they had a few stuff, but nothing like I've seen a bunch of teachers getting on there. Like, I think teachers are also hunting, and I don't got time for that. I'm sorry, like, I have so many containers of school already, and they all get covered in paint. So as cute as that stuff is, it's like I cannot buy more cute containers for the classroom or anything like that. So I found this little clippy. They had one that was a ruler too, but I decided just to get this one. I liked that one a little bit better. I did have both in my cart, and then I was like, get yourself together. What are you gonna need 2 of these for? And then I got, let's see. All right, and then I got this little thing. Teachers have class. I just thought that was cute. I got hashtag teacher life. It's kind of sad, but I got this literally because I know that I can like use it for Instagram photos. Then I got a bunch of these really cute socks. These ones are like lined paper. I'm digging in. Ugh. Then I got ones that are apples, and then these ones that are pencils. Did get this cute new pop socket. It reminded me of kind of like artsy like doodles. It's just like these fun colorful dots. So I'll put that on when I get home. And then I got this cute hat. It was only 12 bucks, 15 bucks, $12.99. Oh my goodness. It's brown with the black and black, so you know you can mix it up with a bunch of different stuff. It's open back here, which I thought that was so cool. Okay, all right, so that's here. Hats never work with my glasses, let's be real. Oh, it's cute. I can't really see in the viewfinder because I don't have my glasses on, but oh, I like it. I like that it has shape. I feel like every floppy hat that I have been getting recently, well this year, they don't have shape. Like I've tried so much. I've even put, what's that stuff called, starch? I have, and ironed it, and it still like flops in my face. But this one has shape. It's nice. I like it. Oh, and then the last thing I got is this Milani matte lip cream. My lips, well, it's kind of still tinted from my last lipstick, but I think I'll still try it. That is what it looks like. Now let's see it on my lips. Oh my gosh. It smells like lipsticks when I was a little kid. Oh my gosh, like bubblegum. I kid you not. Wow. Bringing me back, bringing me back. Okay, I never did this on the camera before, so. Oh, she's real matte. She's real matte. It is just clumping to all of my dry lips. But if I ignore that and I just look at the color, it is cute. I like that. That is like a really fun, it's like a really fun red color for summer because it's not like a deep red. It's like an orangey red. It's really cute. I do really like it. The only thing is it's really, really drying. So like I would definitely put chapstick probably on first and then put this on. Or even like a clear chapstick on top. It's just like clinging to all of my dry stuff on my lips. My lips are always dry. I don't understand it. I put chapstick on before I go to bed every night. It doesn't get better. But yeah, I love the color. Absolutely love it. So I can make it work. It's called Amore Matte Lip Cream, and it is in the shade, by Milani. It is in the shade 13 Craze. Whew, okay, I am so hot in this non-moving vehicle without AC, so I'm gonna get going, go home, and I'm probably just gonna like read on the porch until Tony gets home because it's gonna be like, what, 4:30, 4:45, 4:45 by the time I get home, if there's no traffic, so yeah. And I'm hoping to just go home, play with my phone, get it all set up, relax, read, all that good stuff. And then Tony gets home and he's cooking tonight, so I can relax even more. All right, guys, it is too hot. I gotta get going.